Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the S10 Max smartwatch, and on this video we are going to explore the world of watch faces for our S10 Max smartwatch. Let's check the available watch faces. And as you can see here, we do have the preloaded watch faces. You can change it using the crown button. You can download additional watch faces on the Lexus Fit application. We have here the Lexus Fit app. And as you can see here, we do have a section for dials. So we are going to explore this. We are going to download additional watch faces as well as custom watch faces for our S10 Max smartwatch. So if you are interested to see and to check the available watch faces, and you also want to know on how to download a custom watch face or the available watch face from the Lexus Fit app, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Watch this video setting up or downloading watch faces for your S10 Max smartwatch with Lexus Fit app. Alright, so let's start. So we are here on the dial section. We have the dial mall in DIY dial, that is the custom watch faces. Tap on the dial mall and we have here some free watch faces. Others I think is for sale, but we are going to focus on the free watch faces. See, we have here Christmas themed watch faces. We do have the new product listing. So we have limited watch faces for the smartwatch. That is a very bad news, I think. Anyway, let's try. Let's pick this one. Okay, let's see if it's going to work with our smartwatch. Redeemed now. Use immediately. Although the smartwatch is already preloaded with several watch faces, I think it's a good thing if there are more available watch faces for the wearable. In our case here with the Lexus Fit app and the S10 Max, the list is very limited. Okay, we already have here the watch face. So very fast to download, very easy. Let's have another one. I think this one will do. Tap on it. Then redeem now. Use immediately. After this, let's explore again the list of watch faces. Maybe we just made a mistake and maybe there are additional categories for the watch faces. We'll see. We'll try. Okay, let's wait for it to finish downloading to our smartwatch. It's now our smartwatch is in download mode. And we have here the downloaded watch faces. Okay, let's go and check. We do have here the recommend. So these are the list of watch faces. That's it. Okay, new product listing. And that's it. Yes, it is limited. I can confirm it that it is very limited for our S10 Max smartwatch. So we have here the DIY dial. This is the custom dial. So we have here the format. Select a picture. Let's try to have one. This one. Check. Completed. Crop. Then check. Then we have here the watch face. So let's remove or let's move the time here. You can adjust just by dragging. Okay. Then check. I guess the text color is okay. Let's make it black. Okay, the black or white is much better. Okay, then save and use. It's now pushing. So as you can see here, the smartwatch switched to download mode. Let's wait for it to finish downloading. It's now 4 minutes. Okay, so we have here our custom watch face with the time, the steps, and the date. Okay, so very easy to use. And we have 9:50. I thought it's 4 minutes. It's 9:50. Again, the section is dial mall and the DIY dial. The list of watch faces here for our S10 Max is limited. We have the dial mall here, or the DIY dial, with the limited option also. Okay, so that's it for the walkthrough or the step-by-step process on how to download watch faces for your S10 Max smartwatch. And so far, the list of watch faces is disappointing and very simple but easy to use custom watch face or DIY dial. Again, if you have any questions regarding the pairing, the setup, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye!